Bakbakan na, pakabalik na rin ako dito. Brother. Kuya. Okay, let's play. Be out to the bogey. We have A&T versus ADL selection. Abangan natin dyan si Mr. Parin. And number 25, si Real. Abangan natin yan, shoulder sa press dyan. MVP naman yan, dito si Gaming. And si Ramos, abangan din natin yan. Malapit yan. Okay, let's go to game. Okay, let's play. We are Angel Selection versus AD. Let's play. We are the first ball. Angel Selection. There's something young, look inside, on the way downtown, no good. Another rebound, but intercepted. But there's same ball, shot clock is 14. On the side, no good. Here comes number 9, looking to the other. But there's the other ball, but there's a miscommunication. Turnover. There's something beyond on the point guard. Looking side for the Monte. Looking back to Santillan. Intercepted. Here's number 11 on the side. Crossing the baseline. Four is no good. For the Monte on the rebound. Looking to the other. Ramos, but intercepted again. Atani looking on TV. Another intercepted. Here's for the Monte. Pale, no good. Put back shot, no good again. Another back. Put back, no good again. Another line, no good. There's Acuna. Morris on the 3, no good. Another intercepted. Sayang, ganda sana. There's Acuna, bring it down. Yes sir, no good. Ganda sana noon, mga brother. Looking side, Acuna on the corner. Four, first surprise, going for Acuna. Here's for the Monte. For the Monte, but there's other ball. Reyes to Reyes. Here's Reyes, looking side. Another side. No good. Another rebound. Acuna on the power move. No good. Another rebound. Here's number 11. Looking on the side. Shot clock is down to 8. Turning trouble. Here's for the Monte. For the Monte now. Looking to Ramos. Four is on the way downtown. No good. Number 11 on the rebound. Number 9 bring it down. Intercept again. For the Monte. Lays it on. Amazing. For the Monte. 2 points. Acuna all the way downtown. No good. Another rebound. There's something yarn. Bring it down another. Something yarn. Nothing on the basket. But intercepted again. Morris all the way downtown. No good. Here's Parin. Parin now. Crossing on the baseline, looking to the outside. There's the Real. Attacking the basket, got a power ball. Yes, sir. Real on the 2 points. Here's number 9 to number 24. Attacking on the basket, pulls it off, no good. There's something behind on the rebound. Santillan now. Russ, look inside. Ramos, to the end. Lays it up. Lays it in. About to back 2 points. MVP mo talaga. Grabe naman yun. Here's up. Looking. Number 9. Acuna on the side. No good. Santillan on the rebound. Santillan on the point guard. Looking on the side. Attacking the basket. Lays it off. No good. Another rebound. Here's number 24. Looking to the other. Malahaja. Against the Ramos. But there's a whistle. Let's foul. Let's go. Foul Ramos. First personal foul and first team foul. Substitution. Julian in. Number 24 out. Okay. Let's play. We have number 9 looking back. But there's a safe ball. 11 seconds to shoot. 11 on the shot clock. Down lane, all the way downtown, even out. Here's Leon to Ramos. The board of Monte. Board of Monte, low side, something down, pull up, jumper, no good. Here's Reyes to Julian. Julian now. Crossing the baseline to Acuna, pulls it off. Yes sir, Acuna, 2 points. Here's Santillan to Santillan. Looking, Parin, what about the ball? Close it up, no good, another rebound, Parin. Pull that shot by Parin. Grabe naman yun. This game is brought to you by Nonak Autogils. On the way, no good. Here comes Ramos. The other side, intercepted. Here's Malahaja. Looking to Julian. Take shot. Using the board, no good. Another. There's Bordamonte. Attacking all the basket. Size of plays. You know, in and out. Dominating 45 seconds. There's Malahaja. Looking to the other side. Pulls it up. Yes, sir. 8-6 on the score. A 2-point lead. Here's Santillan. Santillan now. Looking. 10 seconds to shoot. Fires on the long three. No good. Here's comes Julian. Julian now. Pulls it out but short. Another rebound. Looking in 10. But there is another ball. 6 and 9 seconds in the first quarter. Substitution. Ramos out. Avila in. Okay, let's play. Here comes Malahaja. Looking back. Acuna, pull up jumper. No good. Another Parin on the rebound. Rian. 60 seconds. Racing to go out, looking side. There's Bordamonte. To Santillan. Shot clock is down to 12. 10. On the way downtown. Another rebound. And but there's another ball. 43.4 seconds in the first quarter. Okay, substitution. 43.4 seconds. Here comes Malahaja. Malahaja now. Against Bordamonte. Malahaja bringing it down the ladder. On the side. Reyes looking to Acuna. Yes, sir. Condition na condition. No more shot clock. This is the 18 seconds. Wala nang oras.
Kalakan mo kayo.
Okay, let's start the second quarter action. Deadlock in.
Ay, blue ball.
Deadlock in. Come on, score. Lipat na natin ang araw. There's Malahaja looking on Timmy, closing up, no good. Buddy on the rebound. Buddy now looking. Abelar, Tuparas, Tuparin. There's Abela on the downtown, no, put the shot, no good again. There's Malahaja. Malahaja now. Malahaja, bring it down, looking, Reyes, attacking the basket, looking on the side. Shot clock is 10. 8. Down to 5, Malahaja on the way. No good. Buddy on the power rebound. Intercepted. Lays it on, but there's a foul. Foul on Palas, first personal foul and the first team foul. On a 7th row, 2 out of 2. Lamang na kabilang upuan. This is the semifinals game. Here's Avila, looking side. On a side, Avila, attacking the basket for a power ball. But there's a traveling violation. But there's another ball. Here's number 9, Reyes. Reyes on the point guard. Reyes looking on the side for the Haja. To the other. Shot clock is 10, all the way downtown, no good again. Here's number 5, looking. But there's another ball. Substitution, pasok po. Play! Here's on the side. Here's Reyes. Screen. Intercepted. Here's Gasparin. Label the ball. Point guard, but intercepted. Para pag-play ko Julian. Using the board. Yes sir, but Julian. Here's Parin. Looking to the other. Here's number 5. To Santillan. Santillan now. Looking to the other. Paris. No good. Another rebound. Intercepted. What a prospect play. Another intercepted. Here's Santillan. Looking to the other. Starstep. Gosa. No good. But there's a foul. Substitution. Angel selection. Okay, let's back to the ball game. Okay, bola, kuha po. Pasok na players. Here comes Julian. Julian on the point guard. Morris on the way downtown. Oh, up there, Nate Monte. Attacking all the basket. Lazy up. Lazy. Last ball left. Now on to number 27. Galarmino. First foul on you. Pumasok. Here's going Julian. Julian now. Attacking the basket. Looking to the other. Intercepted. Trouble. But there's other ball.
2 seconds na lang.
18 seconds to shoot. 18 seconds to shoot. 18 on the shot clock. 18 seconds to shoot din ha. There's another ball. Okay, play. We have Reyes. Reyes on the side. Duyan. Looking back to Reyes. Bars. No good. Another. Belarmino. Yes, sir. Belarmino. On the 2 points. Here's Zakiyan. Segulian. There's Fornamonte. Fornamonte now. Oh, looking to the other. Boys on the line. 3. Real. Yes, sir. But there is a safe ball. Hey. There's Belarmino. Belarmino now. Oh, looking to the other side. Acuña. Fake. Ozan again. Big shot. Nice move. Pero wala. There's Marine. Ayan na. Naman. Julian. Real concentration on the downtown. Yes, sir. Another change paper. 3-point lead. Attacking the basket, Santillan. Yes, sir. Nasa ang alamangan ng ANP. Intercepted, perfect play to Fornamonte. Attacking the basket, lays it up, no good. Put back shot. Labak na!
Ang cute.
There's Reyes from the zone line. Scores! Yes, sir! Another change paper. 19-20 on the score in the second quarter. Intercepted! There's Belarmino. Looking to Reyes. Lays it up, no good. Another Marin. The other, Avila. Attacking the basket, lays it up, no good. Acuña on the power rebound. Bringing down the river, looking back, lays it up, no. There's Zakiyan. Attacking on the basket, tries and lays it up. Another change paper.
Umulit na kinalok sa akin.
Naku po.
Bakit?
Bars!
Si Jayden, di ko makita.
Pumasok. Set up tayo. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Here's Bordamonte. Bringing down the letter. Looking to Sakila. Pull up jumper. Yes, sir. Basta naman. 1 minute and 10. Here's number 27. Bringing down the letter. Looking to the other.
Live!
There's Reyes. Shot lock din. Dewey.
Narinig ko yung salita dyan.
There's a safe ball. 6 seconds to shoot. 6 on the shot clock. 5. Intercepted. Patrick Lee. Guarda Martin. Lays it. Yes, sir.
First time yung pare.
Malahaja looking to the other. Reyes peek. Looking back to Malahaja.
Pinapunta na
Shot. No. Another rebound. James Green. Looking. Ball back on in. Easy up again. Wala. Another rebound. Abila para Carlo. Looking to the outside. On the lane. Easy now. Get back. Another. There's a foul. Last foul rin.
Dito.
Foul on. There's number 8. Mulyat. First personal foul. Ito. First
Nako. Gaga. Gaga. Gaga ka. Gaga.
10 seconds. Five. 24 seconds. Wala na oras. End of the second quarter. Initial score 26-20. Let's back to the ball game. Third quarter action. Change court. Wala na Indian selection. Indian selection ball. Change court tayo. Okay. Let's play. We have Santillan. Olé! Yes, sir! Costa! Green! There's Malahaja. Attacking on the basket. Closing out. But there's lucky foul on number 4. First foul and first team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. On the side, Kumar is now another looking to the outside and on the whistle. Foul line number 4 again. Second foul and a second team foul. Play. On the way downtown, short. Goes on the rebound. Bordamonte. Santillan. Bonamonte, crossing the big line, standing on the basket, closing up. Yes, sir. Makat na ang Kalamangan. 11. 31-20 ang score. Alahaja looking on teammate, no good. Another on a power rebound. Here comes Goza. For the ball to break it down. Cross. Attacking the basket. On a side. Looking to the outside. On a three. No good. What a pass with the jersey number 7. Lays it up. Lays it in. Rodriguez. Yes, sir. Santillan to Bonamonte, all the way downtown. No good. Rodriguez, full concentration. Look inside. Yes, sir. Another big line. There's Santillan, intercepted. 1-on-1 situation. Sasha, plays it up. No good. Another rebound. Counted. Ay na tayo. Yan. Okay, back to the ball game. 2 shot yan. Basket nyo muna. Then, last throw, last throw. There's Santillan and look to the other. Nako. Scores! Napaganda pa! Dalawa na lang ang Kalamangan. Napaganda pa yun. Oh, hoy! Nakakuha ng foul number 5, Mr. Goza. Second foul ng Goza. Okay, play. On the way, number. Here's Jones Goza. Jump on his spin. Down to 8. On the way downtown. No good. Another rebound. Here's Acuña. Number 24. Valencia. Looking side. Looking to the outside. Pull up jumper. Yes, sir. 33-29. Official score. This comes Goza. Goza now looking to the other side. Intercepted. On the side, lays it up. There is Oliveros. Oliveros now looking to the other side. Santillan to Mateo. Attacking the basket. The speed. Shot. Block. There's Valencia. On the side, put on jumper. Okay, tatlo na bang kick. Okay, pasok players. Bola. Lane. Villa aboard the rocket. Bentak 33 na tayo. Board the bote. Torial. Looking to the other. Force. Foul. Jumping. Jersey number 11. Bonus shot on number 10. Bonus shot. Tatlong play ang kalaman. On the way down, John. No good. Ready to board the monte. Attacking the basket. But there's a single. Seventeen seconds to shoot. There's Avila looking, Paris, shot, short. Basket play and but there's a foul. Last foul left. Foul on jersey number 10. Avila. First foul. Here's Jonas Balahaja. Balahaja to the other side. No. Another shot clock is 10. Down to 8. 5. 2 points. Sa kalakang kalamangan. Yun lang. Same po tayo. Ready, you want to shoot?
One.
Here's Avila. On the side. Bigyan on the way. No good. Another rebound. On the side. Paligid. We are big shot. 2 points. Grabe naman yun. Osberg play. Namo play. Yes, sir. Sa uli ang kalamangan. Here's Gus Bordamonte. Bordamonte now, going to the other side. Avila attacking the basket. Big, looking to the other side. On the lane, no good. Another rebound. There's Zabunya. Zabunya attacking on the basket. On the side. Shot clock is low. Down to 10. Balahaja. Looking. 5 shot clock. Nice. No good. Here's Leal. What a bumper play. Bordamonte foul. Rodriguez. First foul. And 17 foul substitution. Seconds in the third quarter. No good on first throw. Second throw, ready jumpers. Here's Balahaja. Looking side, Baligalim, but there's a foul. Last foul left. Foul of Penny. First foul. Warning for penalty. Pumasok. Then up 38.
Ito talaga pag shoot na lumalabas.
Panlamang. Wala. 55 seconds. There's more than one man. But there's a foul. Kita-kita. Jump tayo. Malahaja. First foul. 13th foul. 13th foul pala. 40 seconds to shoot. 47 seconds. Intercepted. On the line. Lays it up. No. But there's a foul. For the Monte. Second foul for the Monte. Second throw. Paglabang yan. Ready jumpers. Labang na. Isa. 37 seconds. Twelve seconds to shoot, but there's a foul. That's foul rep. Reyes. High limit brother. Second foul in a warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. For the Monte, bali. No good. Another rebound. Long side. Nice pass. Lumayang na. 10 seconds. 8. 3. Wala na oras. End of the third quarter. 41-38 naman ang score.
Kambing.
Okay, let's back to the ball game. The last and final quarter. This is the semifinals game. Game 1. Sino kaya makakauna? Ang ANT ba o ang Angel Selection? Okay, let's play. Here's Acuña. All the way down. Real on the rebound. Here's got Zandilian. Zandilian out. Looking for it, looking back on the side. Passing with the rose up.
May tatlo ba mukhang timeout? May tatlo ba mukhang timeout? Ako kayo last minutes.
Shot clock. 8. 5. On the way, no. Reset. Now good. Another shot clock is down to 8. And there's the other goal. Here comes Zandilian. Zandilian now, setting on the play. On the point guard, looking, Avila, pull-up jumper, no good. Another rebound, here's Marin. Shot clock is 10. 8. 4. Yes, sir! Deadlock tayo. Deadlock 41 on the score. Here comes Julian. Shot clock is strong. Down to 10. On the way downtown. No good. Attacking the basket, looking side! Now! Another change favor! Lamang na ang agent selection, wala mga ice communication. Let's back to the ball game. 43-41, 2-point lead. Here's the Reyes. Reyes, shot up 10. Full of jumper. Yes, sir. That's a foul. Intercepted. Attacking on the basket, lays it up. Change favor. Laban na. Grace comes from Dilian. Bring it down the water. Against Julian. Attacking on the basket, Sanchez lays it up, no good. Another rebound, shot number 8. No good. Here's number 11. For Julian. Julian. Eats the ball. Reyes, number 8. Looking to the outside. Shot number 8. Down to 5. Yes, sir. Way downtown. 3 points. Lumalabang na. Kabilang kubunan. 48-43. Abina, babami, wala. Let's go Rodriguez, looking side. Substitution, 4-14. Here's comes from William. Sabilang crossing the baseline, but intercepted. Patrick Lee. Rodriguez, yes sir. Monte, looking to the outside. Real, wala pa rin. Rodriguez, to Acuña. Bars, yes sir. Gumagana na. Here's Barin, attacking the basket, lays it up, wala pa rin. Makampo. Here's Julian, pull up jumper, no good. Good yan. Shot lang is 10. Good, reset. There's a line violation. Astor, Bukasain. Still good. Another block. 8 seconds to shoot. Tarde, short. Goes out. The corner Monte. Lays it up. Wala. Put na wala pa rin. Nakakuha na foul. Second foul. In the first team foul. Shot Pumasok. Mahaba pa yan. So, ano zero? Here's Julian. Intercepted. Here's Rosa. Looking to the other. Close enough. Okay, lang yan. Raise it up. But there's a foul. Foul line. Goza. Third foul on Goza. In the first team foul. Second throw on Reyes. 52-47 ang aming score. Okay. Bordamonte. Looking to Ramos. But there's a same ball. Hey! Mahaba-haba pa yan. Ramos on the way! Yes, sir! Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan. There's number 11. The number 8. Major Juan Reyes. Shot block down to 10. Hey! Foul muna tayo. Julian. Second foul. Second team foul. Pasok, pasok. Lay, 1 minute and 57 seconds. It's almost in final quarter. Dalawa na lang ang kalapatan. Bote ito, Goza. Goza, looking on Phoenix. Happy na. Attacking on the basket. But sa foul muna tayo. Second foul in the 13th foul. 13th foul. Wala. Rosas Reyes. Looking. Akonya. Yes, sir. Yes, comes Ramos. Ramos. Looking. Area zone lane. Attacking the basket by spin. Shot! Yes, sir! Kaya kamay! Using the board! 63 seconds. Ramos looking to the outside line for the Monte. To Avila. Shot clock down to 12. Goza on the lane. That's ball under there. For the Monte. Third down. In the 17th foul. Time out. No more time out. 17th foul pa rin. 17th foul pa lang. Sa kabila. Third na. Walk to the ball game. Pasok players! 48.3 seconds. 56 to 52. Apat lang yan. 45 seconds. Ayan na! Ayan na! Wala nang timeout ha. Wala nang timeout ang Angel Selection. Real on the way. Wala. Ang tayo. First foul in the 13 foul na tayo. 13 fouls. 29 seconds. Kamay. Foul. Warning for penalty.
May na naman ito.
Second foul number in the warning for penalty. Kamay. Penalty na tayo. Last one natin rin. Number 35. Very slow. 58 to 52. Anim pala. Kira. Pasok. Ay, gumana ng oras, brother. Wait lang po. On the way! Wala. Alalay ka lang tayo, mga brother. Let's game. Best player of the game, Acuna.